I'm Willard Humphreys, third. I'm the Small Farm Unit Manager here at CEFS Small Farm Unit. We are currently standing in our upper field high tunnels, and right now we're harvesting flowering broccoli and Swiss chard in these high tunnels. We also have some snow peas in the high tunnel behind the camera. We're looking to continue harvesting in both of these high tunnels, direct seed and transplant in our outdoor plots in the upper field, which is certified organic. So we're planting similar crops to what's in the high tunnel, and also Asian greens. In the lower field, we won't plant until the summertime, but we'll start thinking about dealing with the cover crops, our rye and clover cover crops. And then we're still currently harvesting strawberries in our high tunnels down there. Towards the end of the month, we'll clean up the strawberries and start converting it into research for ginger and cherry tomatoes. In the lower field, we also have asparagus that's starting to pop up. It's currently growing very well. We're going to wait a little bit to let a couple of them grow to help produce more energy from the crown, and then we'll start harvesting in the next week. Our garlic and chives down there are growing very well, and we're getting quite a bit of rain, which is helping with all of the growth of our cover crops and anything that's not in a high tunnel. So in our upper field plot this spring, we have research going on. We're direct seeding and we're doing transplants. So right now in our greenhouse, we have a variety of transplants growing. So we have multiple trays that we're letting get ready for our next planting in the coming weeks. We're really excited about this season at the Small Farm Unit. If you want to know more about the Small Farm Unit, you can find us on our website, the CEFS website. We have events coming up throughout the year that we'd love to see you come out and be a part of. And we have a lot of information that you can utilize about our research that we've collected over the years.